Hi guys, welcome to Citizen Mentors. My name is Ketan. Fine. So यार finally the CAT result is out. आज ZAT का आंसर की भी आउट हो चुका है. So you know what score you are getting. Plus NMAT के scores भी आपको पता है. And now is the time मुझे लगता है कि everybody should be looking at the other exams, which is definitely SNAP, HECL, and you know CMAT is there, IFT is there. But at the same time, it is also a good idea to keep your options open and try thinking on the level कि यार मुझे कौन सा college मिल सकता है. And accordingly आपको GDPI preparation करना भी बहुत जरूरी है because people are taking GDPI lightly, but then most of the time a good score can spoil entire thing if you do not have a great GDPI, right? That's the reason I am bringing you this one option, which is KG Soma. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about the fees, I'm going to tell you about the cutoffs, I'm going to tell you about the placement. I'm also going to be telling you a placement which have not been published by the college. So this is something, you know, I have got to know from the students of KG Som. So I will be disclosing that real data also. So watch the video till the end. Number one, who should be considering KG Somaya as an option? See, if you have scored 15 plus in your ZAT, then I think you should be keeping option open as far as KG Somaya is concerned. Because being a panelist, I can tell you last year KG Somaya ka jo cutoff tha for ZAT, it was around about 72 percentile, which was around about 12-13 marks. CAT ke through KG Somaya ka cutoff last year was 83 percentile. Now you know your percentile also, right? Anybody who's got 83 percentile should be pretty much good to go ahead with KG Somaya. Plus NMAT ke bare mein baat karenge. This is the first time they are accepting NMAT. If you are scoring 210, 215, 220, you have a pretty good chance as far as KG Somaya is concerned. So now your options are open. Again, KG Somaya is in top 30 in the country, top 30, 35 in the country. Apna perspective hai, mujhe lagta hai ki ye top 30 hai. It's a pretty good college. It has been growing up, improving over a period of time. Now, the cutoffs I just told you, right? If you look at the placements, right? I'll quickly show you the placement report. If you look at the placement, till December 16th, ये placement का record है KG Somaya का, जहाँ पे 517 students they have a batch of. Again, placements पूरी की पूरी नहीं हुई हैं. अभी भी इनका placement season on है. They are still placing students. But 16 December तक placement का stats क्या था? The highest placement was 29.50 lakhs according to KG Somaya. The average was 9.95, which is close to their actual average, which is 10.08 lakhs. अगर हम बात करेंगे stipend के बारे में, 80,000 is the highest stipend as of now per month, and average stipend is around about 27,000. Now I'll quickly tell you some data as far as the stipend is concerned. So according to my knowledge, अगर हम देखेंगे, Morgan Stanley has given 50,000 per month this year. JP Morgan has given 35,000 per month this year. Accenture has given around about 70,000. Infosys has given around about 35,000. RCCM has given around about 60,000. And E&Y has given around about 40,000. So if you look at the average stipend, which is around about 27,500, or let's just say 25,000, it's not that bad. To be very honest, it's not that bad. Okay. Now moving ahead, अगर मैं आपको थोड़ा पुराना डेटा इसके बारे में दिखा दूं, अगर मैं समर प्लेसमेंट के बारे में बात करूं KG Somaya के, हाईएस्ट स्टाइपेंड वाज 1,45,000 एंड एवरेज वाज 25,600. सो हाईएस्ट थोड़ा कम हो चुका है, बट एवरेज इनका बढ़ा है, एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई से दैट लुकिंग एट द एवरेज नंबर दिस लुक्स लिटिल ओके. अब बात करते हैं KG Somaya के प्रोफाइल्स के बारे में. आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद यू. प्रोफाइल कुछ ऐसा एकदम हॉच पॉच प्रोफाइल यू कांट रियली एक्सपेक्ट, बट दे आर डिसेंट प्रोफाइल्स. If you talk about their placements, they're decent profiles. The old data, if you look at top 100 students out of 500, that's 1/5. So top 20% of the kids are getting around about 13.25 lakh per annum. The highest was 28.50 lakh per annum. And the average is around about 10.08 lakhs per annum. Versus what they have shown right now, the highest is around about 29.50 lakhs per annum. Now, if you are very much ambitious, looking at the average package, you might get disappointed. But guys, understand, when you are actually talking about colleges like KG Somaya, JIM, TAPME, IIMA Delhi, FORB, IFMR, you need to understand what sort of opportunities that you are getting at. Definitely, when you talk about IIM ABC and all that, right? That point in time we can talk about this. But right now, you need to understand what sort of opportunities that you are getting into. So, मेरे ख्याल से if there is a company which is paying you around about 29 lakhs, if you are that person who's got that kind of a good profile, you should have a good chances. And this year, the data shows that there are a lot of companies on the campus with more than 10 lakhs ka package. I'll quickly tell you some of the PPOs and the final placement. JP Morgan Chase has given 10 lakhs. JP Morgan का जो profile होता है वो kind of a management leadership development वाला profile होता है, which is IMLP. So what happens is basically you can choose 1 or 2 3 domains in JP Morgan. आप वो 2 से 3 डोमेन में कुछ साल काम करोगे, उसके बाद आप अपना डोमेन चूज करोगे, तो उसके लिए आपको 10 लाख का पैकेज है. अगर आप सेम चीज देखोगे SPGN में, इट इज कॉल्ड एज IMLP, इंटरनेशनल मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम, जो GE वगैरह देती है, आदित्य बिरला वगैरह कंपनीज ऑफर करते हैं, वहां पे आपकी पैकेज अराउंड अबाउट 25 से 30 लाख होगी. बट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस इफ यू जस्ट इग्नोर द पैकेज वाला पार्ट. प्रोफाइल लुक्स डैम गुड. जहां तक लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट की प्रोफाइल्स है, जहां तक ये IMLP प्रोग्राम्स है, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट 5 years. तो अगर आपको ऐसे चांसेस मिलते हैं, you should be joining this college, no doubt about it. RCCM का पैकेज is around about 24 lakhs. Morgan Stanley is around about 7.5 plus. City Finance pays around about 9 lakhs. It's an investment banking profile which is based out of Mumbai. And FP&A का profile होता है उनका, financial planning and analysis मेरे ख्याल से. And it's a pretty decent profile. It's actually a kind of a core profile. City has also given 12 lakh plus package for marketing. HP has given 14 lakhs in the marketing. Dell has given 10 lakh plus in marketing. ITC has given 15 lakhs in marketing. Axis Bank has given around about 10 lakhs in marketing. ICICI Bank has picked up 35 plus student. राउंड अबाउट ICICI का पैकेज होता है 10 से 12 लाख के बीच में होता है. एंड मेरे ख्याल से अगर आपका वर्कएक्स है तो कुछ राउंड अबाउट हर एक साल के वर्कएक्स के लिए कुछ 50,000 आपकी इंक्रीमेंट हो जाती है, या फिर 30-40,000 की इंक्रीमेंट हो जाती है. तो मान लो अगर हम 50,000 भी पकड़ते हैं, तो अगर 4 साल का वर्कएक्स है तो 2 लाख यू विल बी गेटिंग एक्स्ट्रा. अगेन सब्जेक्ट टू कंपनी, इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम कंपनी टू कंपनी एंड ईयर ऑन ईयर, राइट. Accenture and Infosys has paid around about 10 lakh plus. Accenture and Infosys gives you consulting wala placement. If you're a really smart ass, you might get consulting. If you have a 3 years plus ka workix, you might get a consulting role, and these are pretty good roles, right? So even if you look at the COVID scenario, I think KJ Soma has done a good job. Again, there are 500 plus kids out here. You can ignore, you can definitely ignore healthcare management. You can ignore mass comm. You can ignore sports management, HR. I'm talking about PGDM, IB, RM, FS. Even COM, because COM भी आप consider कर सकते हैं because इनकी umbrella placement होती है. So umbrella placement में the opportunity is that if you are good at something, you will get the offer. So company will call everyone and then you have to perform on the D-Day. Bloomberg भी आती है, Nitco भी आती है, Videocon भी आती है, Credit Suisse also comes on the campus, Bank of America comes on the campus. McKinsey knowledge learning also comes on the campus. It's something McKinsey knowledge something like that. It's a KPO based out of Chennai. मेरे ख्याल से वो आती है. Big Four, they are pretty good. Big Four के लिए KJ is a very good choice. So Big Four also comes on the campus. Axis Bank is coming on the campus. PSUs भी थोड़ा कम आते हैं. PSUs अभी शायद से बैंक की वजह से PSUs ज़्यादा नहीं आते हैं. But banking के लिए अच्छा है. And marketing के लिए it's one of the best. So marketing के लिए you can kind of look out for pretty good offers as far as KJ Soma is concerned. So this is about the placement. Cut off मैंने already आपको बोल दिया है. Admission की अगर admission के बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं, थोड़ा accreditation के बारे में बात करते हैं. इनके accreditations मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं. They almost have a tie-up with a lot of international universities. I know a person who has been to Germany. He has done around about 6 months का वहाँ पे MBA, and he will be getting a dual MBA degree. So they have all these programs wherein you can go out and do your one of the semester from some universities based out of Germany and all that. The good thing about KJ Soma is that उनका vision mission कहता है कि that they want to have international level का college and all that, and that is the reason they're taking a lot of efforts to have a lot of accreditations and all. अगर मैं बात करूँ इनके dates के बारे में, applications are open. Last date to submit the application is 7th February. इनके जो GDPI जो है, they are actually going to start towards the end of February. So you have round about 1.5 से लेके 2 months का time to do very well. So case based JD होता है, case study होता है, उसके ऊपर JD होता है, बाद में PI होता है. And actually KJ Soma is a profile based college. Now they have actually changed themselves completely. They are now have become the profile based college. जब आप इसका admission form भरोगे, वहाँ पे आपको option मिलेंगे कि आपको profile based college चाहिए कि आपको CAT का या फिर जो भी exam आप बता रहे हो उसके score पे ऊपर आपको college call चाहिए. So you have your own take, right? And your results will be declared around about 25th March. March के end तक आपको पता चलेगा whether you are getting into KJ Soma or not. It's a decent choice to be very honest. There are multiple programs that these guys run. Financial services, IB, retail, MBA. All these programs are pretty good. So you can give it a thought. कि ठीक है, I can keep one option as a KJ Soma. अगर मेरा score कम आता है and I'm really not thinking of going for another exam, IFT and all that. CMAT you can try. CMAT का cutoff is 98. ZAT का cutoff is 72 percentile, CAT का cutoff is 83 percentile based on the last year. More or less same ही रहेगा. Now, if you want to give it a shot, it's good time for you to kind of start working on GDPI. I am launching KJ Soma special program of JDPI, जहाँ पे along with me, KJ Somaiya के current students and alumni will be helping you to get ready for KJ Somaiya. The reason I'm telling you, last year, one of my students, she scored 98 percentile in CMAT. Okay. Another student, he scored 99.77 in CMAT. Interviews हुआ दोनों बच्चों का. जब फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट आउट हुई, जाहिर सी बात है जो 99.77 वाला है उसका रैंक ज्यादा आना चाहिए कंपेयर टू 98% वाली बंदी, राइट? द स्टूडेंट हु गॉट 98 परसेंटाइल, उस स्टूडेंट को उसका जो रैंक था 98 परसेंटाइल वाली जो स्टूडेंट थी उसका जो रैंक था ऑल इंडिया रैंक वो था 32, एंड जो बंदा 99.77 स्कोर करा उसका ऑल इंडिया रैंक था 950. So you can now understand, score is just a requirement. It's just a formality that you have to meet up. Your main thing is going to be academics, and the most important thing is going to be, how you perform in the interview. I think they have given everything over here. If I just look out for admissions, and if you go to the admissions criteria, I think they have given everything out there. Admission process, I think you will be able to get everything. Their selection parameters, and I think everything has been mentioned out there. So here it is, right? You can understand how many people are there. So qualifying examination is only 35, PI is 25, then this is 15 and academic. So if you actually talk about ये तीन चीजें will contribute around about 50%. Achievements अगर आपके अच्छे हैं, we will train you how to fill in the achievements so that you get ये 10% का maximum benefit. So that's around about 60, and your work is 65%. So apart from your work, 65 is what is contributing a maximum level. So guys, I think this is something worth considering for. You can look out for your academics, how many marks you will be getting. So guys, if you're interested, we are launching this program. The link is given in the comment and in the description. You can consider KJ Somaiya as a good option, and then you can go ahead with that. I hope these videos are helping you to kind of get a little bit of confidence and kind of redesigning your entire MBA landscape. यार स्कोर बेकार आया पर फिर भी आपके पास options है. So guys, that's it from my side. I hope it helps you. If you like the video, I'll be really happy, and try to consider this option. So guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Do subscribe and share. Thank you.